In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update existing items in Monday.com using a form with the Superform app. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently modify your Monday.com items through customized forms. Let's dive straight in. First, navigate to your dashboard, where we're going to install the Superform app, a specialized tool that's key to updating your existing items through forms. To get started, look for the plus button on the board menu. This button will help you access the app's marketplace, where you need to select Superform. By doing this, you'll initiate the installation process of the app onto your Monday.com board, seamlessly integrating it into your workflow. Once Superform is added, the next step is to configure its settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Update in the App Settings menu. It's important to make sure you select this option. This crucial step allows the form to modify existing items instead of creating new ones. If you overlook this, you might end up with duplicate entries instead of updated ones, which can lead to unnecessary confusion and clutter in your board. Now, we need to map the columns from your Monday.com board to the fields in your Superform form. This task is essential because it ensures the data aligns perfectly when making updates. Proper mapping is crucial, as missing a relevant column could mean you won't be able to modify that specific field later on. This could lead to undesirable gaps in your process, and nobody wants that inefficiency. Furthermore, for every column you wish your users to update through these forms, there's an important setting you must enable, the Allow Update option. This setting guarantees that the specified columns are open for changes. It gives users both the flexibility and permission to make necessary updates, ensuring everyone involved can work efficiently and seamlessly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be equipped to effectively update existing items in Monday.com using the Superform app. Remember, investing a bit of extra time to ensure everything is set up properly will save you a lot of time later and prevent potential errors down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and more accessible for you. Happy updating!